Hello students, welcome back to Alpha and Friends. Now let's get ready. Let's prepare your activity book 1, and then these materials. First, we need the beaker and stirrer, and then sand, green beans, salt, rice, sugar, and honey. We also need a cup of water and also an empty cup. Now, let's do it! First, let's pour some water into the beaker and then the sugar. Now, let's stir it. And then let's see, is there any sugar left in the water? So, can the sugar dissolve or cannot dissolve? After you have done with one material, you can pour it to the empty cup. Now, let's try with another material. Do the same thing. And then now let's use the rice. Stir it again. And let's see whether it can dissolve or cannot dissolve. Is there any rice left in the water? So, can it dissolve or cannot dissolve? Alright, now let's go with the salt. Pour the salt into the water and stir it. Now let's see if there is any salt left in the water or not. Alright, now let's use the clean water again, and we will do it with the green beans. Pour the green beans into the water and stir it. Can it dissolve or cannot? Now let's go with the honey. Pour a little bit honey into the water. Then stir it. Now let's see, can it dissolve or cannot? The last one, we will work with the sand. Pour the sand into the water and stir it. Now let's see again, is there any sand left in the water? Well students, now it's your turn. Don't forget to do your activity book after you have done the experiment. Good luck!